Hello there, I'm the Sneeze. Full name, Sneezus Maximus, Reflex Warrior of the Respiratory System. I don't come from the Marvel or DC universe. I come from the command center of your brain, where sneeze attacks are launched at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour. On a bright, peaceful day, your nose is minding its business when suddenly, dust invades. Phonotax. Germs throw a BBQ party inside your nostrils. An emergency signal is transmitted through the trigeminal nerve. Your brain screams, "Sneeze, we need you, now!" Immediately, I, the Sneeze, am called to action. I summon the diaphragm, our compression specialist. Recruit the chest and throat muscles into formation. Inhale deeply, and then boom! I release a high-pressure air blast to expel all intruders. In less than a second, I launch like a rocket, reaching 100 to 160 kilometers per hour, spreading up to 40,000 tiny droplets. This is where things turn into a horror movie. You try to suppress me? Trapped air pressure rebounds internally. According to the British Medical Journal, this can lead to ruptured nasal blood vessels, popped eardrums, sinus or throat injuries, even tiny brain vessel ruptures, rare but real. Some doctors call it an internal air bomb effect. Don't mess with me. If I show up, please don't block me. Cover your mouth with your elbow, not your bare hands. Use a tissue, toss it properly, and wash your hands clean. And remember, I'm not just a sneeze. I'm your bodyguard against invading microbes. I am the Sneeze, not a nuisance, but a tireless, unpaid defender. One explosive strike, countless threats neutralized. See you next time, or better yet, may your nose stay clean so I can take a well-deserved break.